Hey everybody, it's Mac. Welcome back to Southern Blessed Homestead. And man, it's a beautiful day today. Oh my goodness. You can see the sun shining. I don't know if you can see my eyes. Sorry, I'm trying to keep the sun out of my face. But it is nice. It's like, I think it's almost like 60 degrees out here. I think tomorrow's supposed to be like 65, 67. So man, it's gorgeous. But I figured I'd sneak out here. Poor Patti. She's got the fever. She's got the fever so bad. I'm talking about spring fever. She's been out here in her greenhouse and her garden. She's out there in the garden right now. Man, she's quit, dog. The dog about to kill me, about to pull my arm off. I'm trying to hold him and videotape at the same time. He's about to jerk my arm off. He sees the cats and everything and chickens. He's wanting to chase everything. Oh, stop. Sit. Flash, sit. Flash, sit. Yeah, he's been traded. He listens real good. Oh, that dog. About to pull my arm off while I'm sitting here trying to record. Every time he sees a cat. Anyway, we're fixing to head out. We're fixing to head out over here to the garden and see what Patty's doing. So come on. See what Patty's doing out here. She got that spring fever so bad. What you doing, babe? I told everybody that you had the fever real bad. Spring fever.
In there.
Yep. Yeah, you can tell we've had rain for the past 4 days. And I mean 4 days. 4 days of rain. Oh, you spreading the rabbit poop out?
Yep. Ready to plant English peas soon this week.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's this week?
Yep.
Got to get them in the ground.
Yep.
We've got a terrible low spot here. It's always been like that. Every time it rains, it just puddles up here. We need to. Yeah, we need to pull this. We need to raise this up in here or something. I don't know what we need to do.
I've done that. I've added crap in it.
Yeah.
It's going down.
Yeah, it's a hole here.
Yeah.
So what are your plans for the garden this year, babe?
Hopefully grow something that will give us something to eat and to share.
Yeah.
As usual, you know, we don't winterize all that great. So we work hard in the spring.
Yeah, you can tell with our winterization. Poor garden. Oh my goodness.
I tried.
It needs a lot of work.
I tried. I can do it. I just need a little bit of time. Yep, and we're thinking about getting our chickens out here to help us with this what I call row crop area. I burned it out and dug a lot of stuff up, but it just needs fertilizing more. And so if we can get the chickens in here for a couple months, maybe
it should be pretty easy because they're just right there. They're right over there. Yeah. So we're going to move their house.
A gate we can open right there.
Yeah. So we're going to move their house like over here and run the electric fence around here. I think I'm going to get my torch and burn this fence line and clean all this stuff up around there. Then that way they can be in here and scratching around for a few weeks. It'll help.
Well, a month or so.
Month or so, yeah.
Yeah. This is usually where I put my onions, but it really needs help. So I might actually have to put my onions in a different spot. 1 year I put it in these. Then they didn't do all that great in here. They did better in the beds.
Oh, so, yeah, that 1 year, yeah, they did really good.
I might, I need to put some more compost and different stuff in the beds and just maybe put them back in these beds. Because I ordered them and they should be coming and I got to get them in, I think, the 1st of March. So that won't give the chickens enough time to work this land over here. But maybe next year we'll get them. And then I might give them enough time for us to get potatoes in. I don't really have any. I have a little bit of seed potatoes, so we might not have a big crop of them, but I do want to get some sweet potatoes in this year, and then we're going to grow hopefully some more zipper peas and purple hull peas and lima beans. Yeah, so that's what we usually put in here, and those you can grow in the fall. They grow really well in the fall, so that will give the chickens enough time to do some stuff there, and we can keep throwing stuff over there, and maybe they could build it up for us for the fall. And yeah, there's plenty of room here if just growing for the things for Mac and I, but I do like to share with my family and friends if I can, if things grow well. I'm torn in so many directions, so we'll see. As every year, we'll just trust God. I do what I can and let God do the rest. I don't know what it is though.
You gonna give that to the rabbits?
I could. I think it's mustard greens. I don't know if they'll eat that much though.
I bet you they'd love green stuff. I bet you they'd eat it.
Yeah, the broccoli that was in there died. It got froze. I didn't cover it, so I gotta dig those out. Yep, and I don't even know what's in here. I had sprinkled some cover crop type things, greens, and the only thing I can think of that I see is mustard that I recognize.
I bet they'd eat some of it.
Yeah, they're probably desperate for some greens right now. I do have some kale over there in the other spot. Yep.
We got some flowers coming up. I don't know what they are. They might be daffodils. I don't know what they are. Oh man, Patty's got her garlic over here. Looking pretty good. It survived, man, all that heavy snow and freeze we got. Oh my goodness, we got to do a lot of cleanup. Man, our walkways are getting growed over. We gotta clean all this up. Pretty much all this has been pulled up. We just got to haul it out of here. We just left it there to die. But I'm supposed to be making, I got to burn all this out of here and clean all this up because I've got to make that bed for Patty and get it in here. I've been saying it for a while, so I got to get it done. She's wanting to plant in here. So yeah, whew, man. We got a lot to do. Whole lot to do. I think we're gonna I think she said she's gonna redo these all that netting. I think she's taking that down. We're gonna redo that. Didn't you say you're gonna redo this green netting, take it all down?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The broccoli's still alive?
The broccoli's still alive?
Yeah, it's got sprouts on the side.
Where are they at?
Right there, see there's a sprout
Oh
on
yeah.
the side, even though the top froze off.
It's like I don't want to die. I'm still alive. Don't pull me up.
Yeah, cut off the nastiness on top. There's a little sprout on the side.
I think them rabbits would like that if you threw some of that in there. They would eat that.
Yeah, okay. Go ahead.
Oh yeah, look.
Yeah.
A lot of work. You enjoying the sunshine, Flash? Flash, hey buddy. What you doing? You like that sun? It feel good? Huh? He loves laying out here. I guess we could bring him in here and let him run around, but got all this water, he would be filthy. And we're not gonna bring him in. Got to put these together. She threw those down and just kind of laid them down and then made a bed out of it. But I got to come back and fix them and screw them together. Chickens are loving this nice sunny weather. Man, they have been just drowned, wet and drowned chickens the last 4 days. They stayed in their coop a lot. So they are really enjoying getting out and scratching around, enjoying life. This has been a small lake here for the last 4 days. It's a really low spot, and the water drains down through here. Man, it was just a lake in here and a river pouring down through there. But it has dried up pretty good since it quit this, and it quit raining yesterday, so it drained pretty good. It don't take long for it to dry up once it quits raining, but man, when it's raining, it's a lake. Hey ladies. Man, they've been soaking wet too. They're enjoying this nice sunny weather. Next couple of days, I think it's supposed to be in the 60s. So that's nice. So yeah, we're thinking about moving them right over to there. We can get that house moved. Kind of heavy. I don't know how we're gonna do that. But we'll try it, get over there. Patti said we can do it. It wasn't heavy. She's superwoman. She's strong. So Patti got some rabbit poop in there, and that one, and that one, and that one. She's been fertilizing, getting a nice. Why don't you put a lot in there? Good old fertilizer in there. And then, boy, that looks better. Look at that. We finished all those rows, got all that netting cleaned off, so man, that looks a whole lot better. Whole lot better. Man, that netting, it was old and just brittle, but it lasted several years, so I'm not complaining. It, for how much we paid for it, it did a good job. And like she said, this row here, we are going to take this wire down and run like a single strand wire down through here. And we're gonna put our blackberries and our raspberries on it and trellis them. I don't know if y'all follow Cog Hill Farms, but Jason there over at Cog Hill Farms, I'll try to put a video of him doing it. He did his blackberries like that, and have them on a wire and got them on a trellis, and they seem to be doing really good, and I like that. So I think we're gonna do that, and then that way they'll be in the garden. We can take care of them a little bit better, because right now, you know, out of sight, out of mind, and they just go kind of wild and they're not doing good at all. So we're going to do that. And she got this tilled up over here, so pulled a lot of stuff, cleaned up. It probably don't look like much. There's still a lot more to go, but for the time we were out here, we got a lot done. So every little bit helps. So especially the older you get, whew, man, I want to do a little at a time. But we still got a lot of cleanup to do. So that's all we got going on right now. I don't want to make too long of a video, bore y'all to death. But man, it's nice. We got that spring fever. I hope it's nice where y'all are at, and hope the weather gives you a little break. So I know we're in a lull right now. We're probably going to get hit later in February. We have before. One of our worst storms was late February, so it ain't over with yet, but you know what? We're gonna enjoy it while we got it. So hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you hadn't already subscribed, please do so. Hit that like button, appreciate it. It sure helps us out, gives us a little pocket change, and hope you have a southern blessed day.